Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate beignets, step by step. First, we'll activate our yeast with warm milk and a touch of sugar. Then we'll combine it with flour, eggs, and melted butter to form a soft dough. Knead it for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Finally, let it rise for 1 to 2 hours until it has doubled in size. This initial step is crucial for light and airy beignets. Now that our dough has beautifully risen, it's time for the fun part, adding the chocolate. Gently roll out your dough to about 1/4 inch thick. Then, cut it into neat 2-inch by 2-inch squares. Place a small 1/2 ounce piece of your favorite chocolate in the center of each square. Carefully fold the dough over the chocolate and pinch the edges firmly to seal them. This ensures the chocolate stays perfectly melted inside. With our beignets shaped and filled, it's time to fry them to golden perfection. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a few beignets into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Fry each side for approximately 1 to 2 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown. Use a slotted spoon to remove them and let them drain on paper towels. Our chocolate beignets are almost ready to enjoy. While they are still wonderfully warm, generously dust them with a cloud of powdered sugar. This classic finish adds a touch of sweetness and elegance. For an extra treat, consider serving them with a delicious dipping sauce, perhaps a raspberry coulis or a rich chocolate ganache. Serve them immediately to savor their warm, gooey chocolate centers. Enjoy your delightful homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.